Hello, PathosAres here. This is my intro and unboxing of the Cold Steel Laredo Bowie. Just got off work and seen it was in the mail, so I picked it up. Hope you enjoy. Just want to say that my videos are about mostly prepping and knives and medieval things like that, so we'll see how I do on my channel. Alright, let's get opening. I apologize, I do not have a stand for my camera, so bear with me here. Alright, here we go. I bought it from knifezone.ca. So there's that. Seems to be alright, we'll see. Okay. Alright, there's the lid off. Sheath. Some kind of hard leather there. Alright. Okay. So far looks legitimate. Except for, sorry, you can't really see that. There's a little bit of, oh, that's just oil and wax. Okay, never mind. Ooh, this is really greased up. Really. Sorry if my camera works a little shaky. I'm going to get a stand for this thing as soon as possible, but Cold Steel Taiwan. I don't think it's a fake. I'm going to do my homework a bit more. It better not be. I paid a pretty penny for this. But yeah, it's nice and good. He said it's weighted right there. It is not weighted. I said about an inch above it on the video. Oh, I guess it is weighted about an inch there. False edge is sharpened, just like they say it is. Very nice. Nice and thick. Beauty. It's not as balanced and light as I originally thought it would be, but it's good. I like it. Yeah, I'm gonna go clean this baby up and check her out some more. Alright. Well, I think that's it. Maybe I'll make another one of it all polished up and ready to go. Sorry, I will not be testing this one. However, I will be testing others and doing reviews of other knives. I need to get to know this one more. This is my intro, my first video ever on YouTube, so please don't be too harsh about it. Be understanding. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Alright. And it's pretty sharp. Yeah, this thing here would definitely do some damage. Alright, well, I'm going to do some research, make sure it is actually totally legit, and I will get back to you. Also, check into my channel once in a while and watch me actually test blades. I got a cold steel Gladys machete. I'll do a review of that and test it, see what its absolute limits are. Make it break. Things like that. I'll be doing a crossbow review too, bow reviews, things like that. So I'm going to master how to make smoke bombs and test those out, show you all how to do that, and various things. Also too here, another cold steel product, cold steel tie-light knife. This is what I actually used to open the box. This is a great knife, and I will do another review of it in the future. Alright, PathosAres out.